Hello, I'm so happy to be here with you today. Welcome to Health and Fitness with Beatrice. I'm a personal trainer, fitness instructor and nutrition coach. Today I'm going to share with you a full ab circuit. There are 14 moves really to work those abs and flatten in the tummy. Okay, so there are 14 moves, 25 seconds on and 10 seconds off, just to move into the next move. Okay, so let's start. We start on the floor. I have a mat to sit on. And then I have a little bit of a weight. If you don't have a weight, don't worry. The first thing we start with is sitting twist. And you go from one side to another. You can also pick up your legs if you like, okay? So let's start now. Right. One side to another. And you can also have your legs up. Engage your core. Come on. 25 seconds. Ooh. Right, perfect. Now, we do the next one. That's plank. Right, so you don't need to. So the plank. Now, let's start. So engage your core, your abs, your glutes, and shoulders. You have your hands under your shoulders. Your elbows rather, okay? 20 seconds. If that's too much, you take your knees down and then you can go up again. Try to be as straight as you possibly can. Engage everything. Breathe in. Marvelous. Now alternating heel. That means like this. Shoulders off. Out off the ground. And then bottom up. Engage your core. Feel it go from one side to another. Breathe. Come on. Let's do this. Once a day, 5 times a week. Okay? And we will see a huge difference. Hip raise. Okay? You push up with your glutes and you use your abs to get your legs up, okay? It's not swinging. You are lifting them up. 25 seconds. You can do this. Come on. Just watch your back. If you can't do this one, just stop doing that. Hip scissors, okay? Kicks. Oh. So you go first up and then you go down. Okay, now let's start. Ooh. This is quite a tricky one. The higher up you go, up here, the easier it is. The lower down you go, the more difficult it is. So just feel where you can be yourself. After this one is heel touch. Okay? Come on, stay with me. Heel touch. Straight up. Shoulders up from the ground. Come on. Come on. We can do this. Just hold 1, 2 as you go up, okay? And you engage your core obviously, but also your bottom. It's like the bottom and the head, the chest is meeting up, having a date, so to speak. Heel touch, shoulder tap. Now, plank again. But now, we are touching our shoulders, okay? Let's start. You engage your core. You try to have your bottom down. Your hands just below your shoulders. Try not to rotate to one side and another. Try to be as steady as you possibly can while you are doing this exercise. Perfect. Now, plank side. Right. Let's go up like this to begin with. Hands under your shoulder. This is absolutely perfect to start there. And then when you get a little bit more steady, you just pull in your tummy and then you hold this for 25 seconds. That is pulled up as much as you possibly can, and try to concentrate and hold it. And breathe will be a good thing to do as well. Okay, other side, and try not to lean forward. If I did that, so you get in a position, arm should be under the elbow, shoulder, okay? Just be careful so you're not flicking the shoulder there or the elbow. Okay, stay with me. You can do this. And take your inside leg down if it's hard for you, okay? Breathe. Stay with me. This is great. Full body workout. Now, bicycle crunch. Elbow and knee is meeting up. Shoulder is coming off the ground. Okay, you can slowly kick out. Okay, stay with me. Do this only once or twice, as you like. Whew. Once a day is absolutely perfect. Now, after that one, we have glute bridge. Right, take a weight if you like, and just squeeze up the bottom, and just stand here, stay here for 25 seconds, and you engage your ups and your glutes as much as you possibly can. Let's do this. Feet are pointing forward, hip width apart, and just engage it. Stay up, stay up. It's almost done. It's not many exercises left now. And then you can go on with your day. Marvelous. Alternating bird, opposite leg. Stand in the box and then out. Okay, in, out. In, out. Okay, stay with me. We are almost there. Okay, 2 more exercises, and then if you like you can take a little bit of a break and do it once more, twice more, as many as you like. Superman, perfect for your back. So if you like, and then you stretch, you lift everything up and you squeeze, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, squeeze 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's squeeze this all we can for the last few seconds. Squeeze, squeeze, hold it, hold it, hold it. Squeeze the bottom, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Stay with me, squeeze it, squeeze. There. Now, push up. Sorry about this. Right. Arms nearby your body, plank position, and then you go down as far as you possibly can. Obviously, if you're using a thing like I'm using, make sure that it doesn't move. Okay? You can also do it towards the wall, or you can do it straight down, obviously, like a normal plank. Not a plank, push up. As you can tell, I'm not very strong. That's it. That's all of them. How was that? Now, that's a full ups circuit. Okay, I just put it on a little bit longer just in case I make a mistake. Lots of love to you all. That's all you need to do. That is 14 moves, up circuit, using all the most intensive muscles in your tummy, in your ups. Do this every day and I promise you, you will see a massive difference. Take care, lots of love, bye bye.